Ash here again. It's been quite a while since I've done one of these because it's been such a long time since we've had our parts. But our front shocks have finally come in. Just in the process of waiting for the final laser cut brackets. Actually, it's not the final ones. We're doing one more test set and then we'll cut the chrome moly ones. Just getting them in the right spot to maximise the travel. Our first set turned out pretty good, but we wanted more travel. So first set gave us 21.5 inches on the front end, and yeah, we're trying to get that closer to 26, which our new set of brackets should do, no problem. To get that, had to just rearrange the shock a bit. Before we had the piggyback canisters facing out, and as you can see now, we got them facing in. Not a whole lot of room to work with in there, so really happy we've waited for the shocks to get here because yeah, air effector is almost none. So yep, that's happening. Just sorting out the rear shock mounts, putting the final plates on there, and yeah, so all the electronics have started to rock up the last few days. Still waiting on the PDM, the dashes here, the ECUs here. Yeah, so exciting stuff. But yeah, thanks for following along, and I'm pretty sure all this footage is going to go together in one big compilation, so enjoy that, and yeah, hopefully not too much longer, and we can get some stuff going on the truck for final assembly. It's been a long time coming, and getting pretty overworked in the shed. We want to go racing, and but the end is in sight, and we'll hopefully get there sooner rather than later. So thanks, guys. Hey guys, we're back again. Today's a pretty big day. We're starting the strip down, getting ready to flip the frame over so we can weld up the bottom. Got little Pat under there helping out. I'm taking all the panels off. It's 1,000 aluminium panels. Alright.